Hey everybody, Sapphire Mouse here, and welcome back to another episode of Pokemon Emerald. Last time, we explored, I guess we went through the seafloor cavern and actually battled and stopped Archie, but without him powerfully actually ended up waking Kyogre and whatnot. So in this episode, we are actually going to be going to the sky pillar to at least awaken Rayquaza and hopefully go from there. So just before I do, there's actually a place that I'd like to show off real quick, which is Pacific Log Town. So this place I do recommend making this as a travel destination, which you shall see later on. Anyway. Oh, crap, I forgot I didn't battle him. Okay, I guess after unintentionally running into him, let's finally get to Sky Pillar here. Now, anyway, welcome to Sky Pillar, guys. Now, if you're playing Ruby and Sapphire, you can only come here after you beat the Elite Four. Oh my, I'm terribly sorry. In my haste, I didn't notice that I left you behind. I've opened the locked door of the Sky Pillar. Miyuki, let's be on our way. It's an earthquake. There's not a moment to waste. We gotta hurry. The situation is getting worse. This isn't good. The weather distortion is spreading even here. Miyuki, which places should be farther up ahead from you? I'm worried about Douglas. I've got to go back. Everything is your hands now. Don't fail us. You say so. Telling that to a 10-year-old kid. Now, like I said, if you're playing Ruby and Sapphire, you cannot come here until after you beat the Elite Four, or I guess you probably can now that I say that, but I don't remember. I haven't played Ruby and Sapphire in so long. Now, I guess now that I'm thinking about it too, and your first time coming here in Emerald, coming through Sky Pillar here is actually going to be quite easy, but believe me, the second time you come here is going to be so annoying, for reasons you shall see later on. And with that, the reign against Kyogre and Groudon have been settled. Now, I guess something interesting. Did I have to talk to Archie or Max? Oh wait, hold on. I think it's Maxie. So, talk to Maxie, and then after you do that, I go to my Pyre, and there will be something interesting. Okay, I guess after coming here, the thing I find interesting is after you talk to Maxie, guess what? Miyuki. And all you say is my name and walk off. So yeah. After talking to Maxie, they will actually come back here to Mount Pyre and return the orbs. The two men who took the orbs came back to return them on their own. Those men, perhaps they were not so evil after all. It is my role to pass on the legend of Helen to future generations. No. Well, thanks for the offer there, old man. Anyway, gonna go back to Setopolis here. And finally grab our 8th and final badge. So, yay! What do you have to say, Wallace? Miyuki, my eyes don't deceive me. Thanks to your help, Setopolis, now all of Helen was saved. On behalf of the people, I thank you. This is a gift from me. Please accept it. And with that, we get HM07 Waterfall. So instead of getting Waterfall at the Cave of Origin from Legend Ruby and Sapphire, you'll actually get it from Wallace instead. That hidden machine contains Waterfall. If you have the rain badge, a Pokemon that has learned that move can force its way up waterfalls. And where does one get the rain badge? You know, don't you? That's right, you have to beat the Setopolis gym leader. When you're all set to go, step through that door. It looks like both Maxie and Archie have gone away somewhere. Perhaps they've gone to Mount Pyre to return those orbs. Ah, gee. And just like just like with some puzzles like I threw in Pokemon Gold and in here, I always had trouble in this gym too, and you shall see why. So all you have to do is make a pattern to do that, and the next stairs will actually become unfrozen. So these first two I can actually would be able to do quite easily when I was a kid, but it's mainly this one here that will give me the most trouble because of how hard it is. So as soon as I say that, so if you end up unintentionally messing up like I just, well, if you mess up like I unintentionally did, you'll actually fall through one of the cracked ice and fall down here. So let me check guys up top again. Okay, after that failed attempt, let's do this again, hopefully successfully. So if you couldn't tell, the last one can actually be quite tough, depending on what you do. Well, I guess I don't think I was paying attention to what I was doing, so I think that's why. So, let's see. I think I shall use my newly evolved Lady Color that evolved a few episodes ago. Anyway, let me ask you, did you know? I should not be so coy. It was all you taught Wallace everything there was to know about Pokemon. Once I had given up my position as the gym leader, in my place I had entrusted Wallace with the gym. However, a compelling reason occurs for me to make a comeback. But enough chatter, let us begin our match, shall we? Please, you shall bear witness to our artistry. A great illusion of water sculpted by Pokémon and myself. So, yep, if you're playing Pokemon Emerald like I am, instead of Wallace, you're actually battling against Juan. Or I probably just say Drew Juan, since, believe me, I thought his name was actually pronounced something. I thought his name was pronounced differently. But anyway, Juan's first Pokemon is Love Disc with Waterfalls attract sweet kiss and flails, so you're gonna tell he uses water type, so if you have a water or electric type on your team like I do, Juan here would actually be quite easy, well, except for his main Pokemon, which you shall see. Anyway, his next Pokemon is Wishcash with Rain Dance, Waterfalls, Amnesia, and Earthquake, so this thing's only weakness is grass, so if you have a grass type Pokemon, use it. Anyway, his next Pokemon is his, why not? I use Ninetales. His next Pokemon is the Sealeo with Encore, Body Slam, Aurora Beam, and Water Pulse. I know using Ninetales probably isn't the best, but I figured I'd give it a tad bit of a battle time here. Well, I'm definitely going to be switching here, because I was hoping Ninetales would do better, but guess not. Anyway, let's have Maniatric finish it up with Thunderbolt! Now, I guess, obviously, gonna tell Wallace and Juan scene would actually be pretty similar in both versions when you battle them, but except for one minor difference in terms of the main team member. Anyway, his next Pokemon is Cardon with Waterfalls, Crabhammer, Taunt, and Lair. His last and main Pokemon is his Kingdra, Water Dragon type with Water Pulse, Double Team, Ice Beam, and Rest. I never look forward to battling this thing because, I'm not kidding when I say this, whenever you battle Juan, I don't know why, but oh my god. No! Crap! Dang it! I was hoping I would have defeated it. Anyway, what I was gonna say was, if you couldn't tell, whenever I battle Juan, he always seems to use, I'm not kidding when I say this, with Juan's Kingdra, he will always, I'm not kidding when I say this, he will always max out his evasiveness by using Double Team, and then, oh, what? Oh, I was not expecting that. And then, whenever he does, he'll just use, like, Ice Beam and Water Pulse, and he also has Rest, so whenever he needs to recover his Pokemon's HP, he can at least do that. Drat! I thought I was gonna defeat in one hit. So So yeah, he does this all the time, which is extremely annoying. And not only that, he also has a Chesterberry. So yeah, if you're gonna tell, I hate this thing. Because of Double Team, and then Rest, and then he has Ice Beam, which is actually a pretty good Ice type move. And then he has Water Pulse, which is same type attack bonus. Oh, whoops. And then this Kingdra is part dragon, so this thing's only weakness is dragon. So this thing can actually be quite annoying. So that's why I always make sure whenever I battle against his Kingdra, that's why I always make sure to have a Pokemon that has a move that never misses, like Shockwave or Swift. Because no matter how many times it uses Double Team, Shockwave will always hit. So yeah, he would do this all the time, and it's so annoying. If you couldn't tell. Oh my god, what is with you in using Rest? This is why I say this thing is so annoying. Come on, you stupid turd. Wait. Oh my god! Jesus! I thought it was gonna take me forever to defeat that thing. Excellent, very well, you are the winner. For you, I sense the brilliant shine of skill that will overcome all. However, compared to me or even Wallace, you're lacking in elegance. Gee, thanks. Perhaps I should make your loan of my outfit. I'm merely jest. Rather than my clothes, I shall reward you with this rain badge. I deserve it, alright. Since it tends to take forever to defeat your stupid Kingdra, having the rain badge shall assure you the fullest obedience of all your Pokemon to your every command. The rain badge also allows you to use of the HM move Waterfall to scale walls of cascading water. And so you shall never forget the battle we shared. Take this. And we get TMO 3. Water Pulse. A energy contains Water Pulse, and use it will occasionally confuse the target with ultrasonic waves. And like with all gym leaders, you shall register him on the Pokénav. So anyway, slide down and do that. And the thing I find odd is how Steven and Wallace leave after you defeat Juan in a way. Let's see if nope. Anyway, before I end the episode, there's a TM in this city that I would like to grab now, and if my memory serves me correctly, it should be on this side. Nope. Which I don't remember where it is. If I know where I'm going. Hold on. It took me a few seconds to remember. Anyway, talk to him. For 30 years, I've remained in Centopolis honing my skills. I developed a shattering TM. I bequeath it to you. You get TM31 Brick Break. TM31 contains Brick Break. It's a move so horrible that I can't describe it. Now this is a good fighting type move. Destroys barriers like light screen and causes damage. So basically, whenever you use it, if a opponent has like light screen or reflector, whenever you use Brick Break, it will actually destroy that. So I highly recommend Wait, really? Oh god, for a second I thought it was only Swampert that can learn it, but nope. So, even though Ludicolo and Swampert won't get same type of attack bonus from this move, I guess I'll teach it to one of them off screen. So, anyway, I'm actually gonna end it here for now. So, next time on Pokemon Emerald, with all 8 badges, we're gonna head to the Elite Four and hopefully become champion. See you guys then.